Namaskar. All those who have been involved in weight training would realize, and even others as we move ahead, would realize that while we are doing bench press, the environment is so supportive that when you are wanting to increase your weight capacity, then somebody comes and helps you support, gives a support to that weight, and you keep lifting those weights. And after some time, you are on your own and you can, without his support, you can carry on. But what if he lifts the support prematurely, or he intentionally adds more weight? Now, this is what generally doesn't happen in the field of sports when one is doing bodybuilding and other things. But it certainly happens in life. I have experienced both while doing weight training, as well as the same phenomena repeat coming into my life. And it may so happen that people will approach with a view to help. Now, if the capability at that moment is to lift 10 kgs, if they are right thinking people, they would ask you to lift up 15 with support. Otherwise, people would appeal to your vanity and induce you to lift up 30 kgs, and they will say, we are there to support you. And once you have lifted that weight, you are lying on the bench and you have lifted that weight, it may so happen that at that point there may be a bargaining point for the other person. This generally happens. So what we have to be knowing is this nature of do-gooders. It would be better to know this and be careful than being like that Gandhari or say Dhritarashtra, who could not take the right decisions of saying no to those who they knew would ultimately be harming. In many cases, we may be coming to know that this person may not be in our best interests, but then we do not have the spine to say no. And it needs a very clear mind, clarity of thoughts, and integrated self. That is to say, those moments where there is none other than yourself, and it is from that position of calm, that state of calm, that one is able to reflect and see what all is going on, and from there take a call. But spine is very important. Thank you.